Polisi ya Rwenzori East mu district ya Kasese ekwasire Haji Abdul Kasita orukutekatekwaho okubaheriza abana babirobutwa abo mukazo wiyihire aha mushijo ndijo ekibarugirireho kufa. Abagenzi bamanywa nka Catherine Kaboho ow'emyaka 10 no murumuna Caroline Mbambo ow'emyaka 8.
Olimuka nabakaguza boche tumugenzera isomero bagamba ende netusasa bagamba kandi ende nebasasa mulireki bagamba baba atulesere nanga chapati nizo kutalibaniza nagamba maybe a chapati muzirire speed za koroti za batalibaniza ati zigenda kwikasanga mukaga musanje torono mukozi nayi mukozi we yaija na yaturaga yagamba nyo nagendo muka
oguyagaruka yagira ngo mushijogu kwamazire kwikomuka ayigwire enju aho abatura bamushangire no bucupa bwo butwa bwa soda burukunuka ekijoma cyembeba
jibere sibiri ati agenda kukwata yakwata bucupa yabunaga ati twayiruka twagamba obucupa buno abukwatireki ati inji ibere diseri mu bere tiri open ntore kijuma nikinukira kimu atoro no musaje na maro kuija hati yakwata bucupa yabunaga ati tugenda kurora bucupa bubera bwe soda bwa mirinda nibunuka ekijuma nabukwata nabusereka
nzibange murore hakindu cyatubaho abantu kugumana ruga kuno nogenda nozara kuno nosora nogu nosora nogu abantu bindunge byo tukoreki tubireke.
As Abdul Kasita, who have been currently staying with the mother of the children. So this is a case which have happened, but we are telling parents the role of parenting must continue, because there is a lot of domestic in homes, and where you find a woman is fighting with her husband, and the husband is fighting with his wife, the children become the most victims.
Nikigambwa ngo Mary Murungi orinyina w'abana aba akabashwirwe Ezra Muhindo aho yazira abana aba atyo nuko kurugayo nabo akahungurwa Haji Abdul Kasita kandi aba babire batwire hamwe okumara emyaka 2 gasha kwa Gerbert Muhanguzi.